I am K. Omameswara, Department of Physics. Today my topic is Unit 2 Thermodynamics. So what is the entropy and derive and expression for the equation, entropy equation. So first of all, what is the entropy? So entropy means the ratio between heat and temperature is called entropy. So Q means heat, T means temperature. The ratio between heat and temperature is called entropy. So prove that the derived and expressed equation. So proof. So this is the diagram of entropy. So taken on x-axis in value, y-axis in pressure. So this is the pressure P1, V1. So pressure P2, V2, P3, V3, P4, V4. So this entropy in two difference between the two temperatures. First temperature is isothermal and the second one is adiabatic process. So this cycle is the four quantities. So first one isothermal expansion and adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression, adiabatic compression or contraction. So first of all, isothermal expression equation, isothermal work done equation, work done of isothermal work done of isothermal process. So isothermal process means W. So W. So first work W1, second work W2, third work W3, fourth work W4. So first one W1 equal nRT log E base V2 by V1. So volumes V2 by V1, temperatures T1, T1. Isothermal process. Isothermal means temperature is constant, remaining variables are changed. So temperature T1, T1 constant, remaining variables are changed. P1 to P2, V1 to V2. So temperature T1. So work is converting to a heat energy. So that means heat means Q1 equal nRT1 log E base V2 by V1. This is the equation number 1. Next, work done by of isothermal process. So work done by isothermal process. So isothermal process work done equation W2 equal nRT log E base V4 by V3. So isothermal compression, that means isothermal compression or contraction, isothermal expansion. So W equal to isothermal contraction P3 V3 T2 P4 V4 T2. So isothermal means temperature is constant, temperature T2 T2. So temperature T2 constant, remaining variables changed P3 to V4 change, V3 to V4 value changed. So this is the equation. Next, heat is converted into work is converted into heat energy. So W2 means Q2 equal N0 T2 N0 T2 N0 T2 log E base V3 by V4 V3 by V4 V4 by V3 V3 by V4, that means minus, indicates the minus. So this is the contraction, this is the expression. So minus indicates the contraction. So this is the equation. So equation number 2. Equation number 2. From equation number 1. From equation number 1, T1 temperature is divided in left side. Q1 by T1 equal NR log E base V2 by V1. This is the equation number 3. Next, from 2, temperature T2 is divided in left side. So Q2 by T2 equal Q2 by T2 equal NR log E base V3 by V4. So multiply in both sides in minus. So minus into plus Q2 minus into minus plus. So this is the equation number 4. Next one, the relation between the temperature, the relation between the temperature and value, that means temperature T1 V2 relation gamma minus 1, temperature T2 value V3 gamma minus 1. So this is the temperature and volume relation. So T1 V2 gamma minus 1. So T1 V2 gamma minus 1, T2 V3 gamma minus 1. Next cycle, T1 V1 gamma minus 1, T2 V4 gamma minus 1. So this cycle 1 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So this is the 2 and 3. So 2 means 3 means this curve 3. And these relation between curve 1 and 4. This is the curve 1. So temperature T1, volume V1. This is the curve 4. Temperature T2, volume V4. So these two equations are divided. So divided means T1 cancel, T2 cancelled. So V2 by V1 equal V3 by V4. So gamma minus 1 cancelled. So both side in gamma minus 1 cancel, gamma minus 1 cancel, remaining equation. So this is the remaining equation, V2 by V1 equal to V3 by V4. So V3 by V4 value substituted in V2 by V1 from V2 by V1 from equation number 4, from equation number 4 minus Q2 by T2 equal to NR log E base, replace in V3 by V4 means V2 by V1. This is the equation number 5. Next compare the both side comparing equations 3 and 5. So LHS equal RHS. So third equation LHS means Q1 by T1, fifth equation LHS equal to minus Q2 by T2, that equal to RHS. So RHS remaining same, NR log E base V2 by V1, third equation, fourth equation same. So that means 0. That means, so compare the equations. So LHS compare the equations equal minus Q2 by T1. So RHS are same. So that means Q1 by T1 plus Q2 by Q2 by T2 equal to 0. This is the cycle. So one complete cycle total Q by T terms also 0. So terms also 0. That means total terms Q1 by T1 plus Q2 by T2 equal 0. So Q2 by T2 plus Q3 by T3 equal to 0. Next Q3 by T3 plus Q4 by T4 equal to 0. So 0 means constant. So Q1 by T1 plus Q2 by T2 plus Q3 by T3 plus Q4 by T4. That means Q by T. So sum of the and total terms 0. That means sigma Q by 2 equal to 0. Sigma Q by T equal to constant. 0 means constant means entropy. So this is the derived and expression for the entropy. So my all YouTube classes are question and answers. This is the notes for all questions in my YouTube classes. Thank you, friends.